Hi, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you in lovely professional university Edu-Webinars. My name is Dalvinder Kaur and I'm your host for today's webinar. As I can see, people are still joining, so let's wait for a few more minutes just so that everyone can join. Till then, let me take you all on a virtual tour of our beautiful university. So here it is.
Finishes on 90 meters, 23.
Thanks everyone for calling. So let's talk about the poll response. Is this video real or AI? No, this video is absolutely a real video. No AI is harmed in making this video. So for the people who wants to see this video again, I'll share the link in the chat box later in 2-3 minutes. So as I can see, everyone has joined. So let's dive into today's topic, that is the future of data science careers, opportunities, skills, and success. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Ms. Shruti Kumar, Senior Data Scientist at Transorg Analytics. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Ms. Asha Rani. She is Assistant Professor and Coordinator, Department of Communication, Division of Admission, lovely professional university. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any question. You can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box and save your address on my site in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our expert, Ms. Shruti Kumar, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from her. Over to you, Ms. Shruti Kumar.
Hello everyone, I'll just share my screen and begin with today's session. Okay, good morning everyone. Am I audible? I'm just checking the mic.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Your screen is shared. You can continue.
Okay, so good morning everyone. First, I'd like to thank Lovely Professional University for inviting me today. It's a pleasure to be here and chat with you all. Very warm welcome to those who have joined the webinar, and I hope you all are doing well. And I'm very excited to explore with all of you the fast-growing career domains today, which is data science. Today we'll just discuss how to build your career in data science, what data science is, why it is exactly growing so rapidly, the skills you need, career opportunities available, and some real industry projects to help you understand how companies use data science in the real world. So let's get started. So just before we begin, let me just introduce myself. My name is Shruti Kumar, and I have over 5 years of experience building machine learning and AI solution across multiple industries, including finance, real estate, and analytics consulting. I completed my master's degree in statistics, so it gave a foundation for me in terms of analytical thinking, statistical modeling, and problem solving. So over these years, I have worked extensively with technologies like Python, SQL, machine learning, deep learning, large language models, generative AI, and helping business solve real world problems. So today, I'll not only explain the concepts, but also share some practical industry examples so that you understand what exactly a data scientist do. So let's begin with one most fundamental question, that what is data science? Many people think that data science is only about coding. Some think it's only about artificial intelligence. Other believe it is creating dashboards. But data science is much broader. It is a process of collecting data, cleaning it, analyzing it, and financially building the intelligent solutions that help businesses make better impact and decisions. So every time Netflix recommends a movie to you or Amazon suggests a product, Google predicts your next Google search, or your bank detects a fraud detection or fraud transaction, there is data science working behind it. So data science is basically the combination of data, mathematics, programming, and business understanding to solve the real world problems. So let's now understand the skills that is required. So we broadly can divide these skills in two types, that is the basic and the advanced. So basics would be understanding statistics, basic programming in one of your favorite programming language, majorly Python, and and data visualization as well. So once these fundamentals are clear, we can go on the advanced concepts like deep learning, machine learning, big data, Spark Cloud, and handling unstructured data that impact these big data processes and networks. So my advice is always don't try learn everything. Just master the basics first, and then the strong fundamentals will obviously help you elevate the career and the different topics as well. So now another question that people ask, the students ask, that why should I choose data science as a career? The simple answer is the opportunity. Organizations today generate enormous amounts of data, which is obviously increasing in a very rapid space. The data itself has no value unless someone converts it into a meaningful form and business insights. So that's exactly where data science comes into picture. This is why companies across various industry are investing heavily in data science. Okay, so data science didn't appear overnight. We all know that it was there was a evolution. So it has evolved over several decades. Initially, organizations only used to focus on storing the data. Then came business intelligence. After that, big data. Today, we entered the era of machine learning, deep learning, as well as generative AI and LLMs, and the technology has evolved. The demand for skilled professionals continue to increase. This also means that continuous learning becomes a part of your career. And we look into the data science trends. So where the industry is heading, that currently there's big data analytics, cloud computing, data as service, IoT, Internet of Things, natural language processing, generative AI, democratization of AI tools. So all of these have become a very simple language that has come up in our language day to day. And this is the exciting part that AI has brought up in our industry. So we are no longer limited to and data science is no longer limited to large industries. Even the startups, hospitals, banks, the retailers, the manufacturing companies as well are using data science in their daily operations. So one misconception is that data science jobs only exist in IT companies, again, which is not true. That we see that data science today is being used in different sectors. So, in healthcare, predicting diseases and medical image analysis is one of the use case of data science. When we talk about banking, a fraud detection or a credit risk prediction is a science technique. In e-commerce, the recommendation systems and customer personalization in manufacturing, predictive maintenance, and quality monitoring. In transportation, the optimization of routes and self-driving technologies. So no matter which industry we talk about, data science has its applications everywhere. When we talk about the new age usage of data science, these applications continue to expand every year. So today we are seeing AI, ChatGPT is something we all go to, and it has become our go-to person in this current industry. And quantum computing and now agentic AI is buckling up. So we are seeing AI bots, virtual assistants, autonomous systems, recommendation engines, intelligent automation, and generative AI transforming businesses globally. The possibilities are becoming endless. So when we talk about data scientists' demand, the demand continues to rise globally as the screenshots are provided over here of the Economic Times and various Google articles that companies are actively hiring data scientists, data analysts, data engineers, AI engineers, and machine learning engineers. So from a career perspective, this remains one of the most promising fields. Now I'll talk about some of the insights from the industry that shows the key facts and the high demand of data specialists. So here are some statistics that clearly demonstrate this demand. Millions of new jobs are expected worldwide, and India itself has over 1 lakh open positions related to data science currently. The industry continues to grow rapidly year after year. And one major advantage is the strong salary growth as well, which is compared to any other traditional career path. So now let's understand different career paths as well. So you need not become necessarily a data scientist. You can start from being a data analyst, a data engineer, a machine learning engineer, or in fact, um, data scientist and AI engineer as well. Each role has different responsibilities and skill requirements. So as your experience grows, you can transition into more advanced opportunities. And you can also see that most of the skills that are mentioned there are subset of each other. So now one major question the student asks as they get into the college that what salary can I expect after I get placed as a data scientist or a data engineer or a data analyst. So here's a clear snapshot of based on the experience, location, skills, and the company, what all setup of salary expectation that you can keep up with. So some problem solving ability is one thing which helps you create more value and which will give you a better career and growth as well as the compensation. Experience certainly matters, but today companies equally value the strong projects. So if you are putting in some very strong projects in your current resume, some good practical skills, and you show that there is a problem solving ability in you, and as well as this communication plays a major impact. Then many fresher graduates receive excellent offers simply because they have strong portfolios and practical exposure. So I just share some of the real projects that I've worked on in Transoc journey, and these examples will help you all understand how data science creates business impact. So one of these stories that this project was like it was targeting pre-approved loans, and an Indian national banking partner identified 40,000 potential affluent customers from our income estimation model prediction. So this project was one of the India's largest banking organization. The objective was to estimate customer income using machine learning so that the bank could identify affluent customers for premium financial products. So we built an ensemble model here, combining the multiple algorithms. When you will learn about machine learning, you will get used to using these terms and customer information. Then the model achieved 89% of recall value and successfully identified thousands of high net worth customers prominently. So this was the achievement. And so this was what the outcome came out. And we could create the personalized pre-approved loans for all these high intent customers. Another one of the story was retaining customer loyalty, which was post-COVID. So during COVID lockdown, a global fast food giant predicted customer churn by machine learning. So during COVID, customer churn became a very big major challenge for the global fast food company. So we developed again a machine learning model to predict which customers are likely to stop purchasing from us. So using algorithms like logistic regression, random forest, XGBoost, we identify high risk customers. The company could then proactively target them with personalized retention offers. So this is again a perfect example of how predictive analytics directly supports the business decisions. So here's the outcome. XGBoost is the final model that led to decrease of these customer churn and led to a higher accuracy. And the client developed a retention offer targeted based on customer segment and churn score. So that is like bringing this session to an end. So I hope this webinar has given you a better understanding of what data science really is and what career opportunity exists and how you can start preparing yourself. I'd be happy to answer any questions and please feel free to ask anything.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shruti Kumar. It was a wonderful session. So now I would request to the admission nominee, Ms. Asha Rani, to be on the screen. Over to you, Ms. Asha Rani.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Let me share the screen, ma'am. Hope my screen is visible. Ma'am, please confirm.
Yeah, it's visible. You can call.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, let me discuss about the accreditation and ranking of our university. As everyone know that I'm feeling proud to share with you all that our university received NAC A++ accreditation. This is the highest score, that is 3.68 score on the scale of 4. So we are the first among all the private universities who are getting this highest score. So we are UGC approved. Second, if I'm talking about accreditation and ranking, see, before starting any program, we ensure all the accreditation and approvals required for it. If you're talking about accreditation, we are accredited with the National Assessment and Accreditation Act, as I uh, discussed in the previous slide, that we are having the highest score. And we are also having accreditation from the Indian Council of Agriculture, that is ICAR, for agriculture program. Similarly, we are having National Council for Teacher Education approval for the education programs. And we are also having a Pharmacy Council of PCI approval for the pharmacy program. Similarly, for architecture program, we are having Council of Architecture approval. For law program, Bar Council of India. Similarly, for physiotherapy related program, that is Institute of Town Planner. And if I'm talking about C placements, our placement mean one of our student got 2.45 crore package in the final semester itself, and one more student that he got 1.03. The reason is that we start mentoring our student from the very first day. So we are having PEP classes, that placement enhancement program. So we start training our students for that. So this is a student who got 2.5 crore package in final semester, and this student got the 1 crore package. So these are the other students who are getting the very good package, and they are the very good positions in different organizations. So these are the students who are at 1 crore plus package. So we are, see, if I'm talking about our curriculum, that curriculum is not fixed. This is industry oriented. So time to time, as per the industry demand, we update our curriculum. So ranking and awards, if we are discussing that in NIRF ranking, we are 31st among all the government and private universities in India. If I'm talking about in engineering, we are at the rank of 40. We are at the 48th position. So in world university ranking, also we are at the 4th position. So we are having study abroad programs also. As I told you that our curriculum is industry oriented. We are having specializations in major and minors, and we are having personal professional development programs also. If any student wants to go for research, we are also having that option also for the students. See, in we believe our students not growth not in any in academic but in extracurricular activities. Everyone knows that our students perform wonders in Olympics. So if I'm talking about extracurricular activities, 24 LPU students, they participated in Olympic 2024, and our hockey team that won bronze medal. And these are the glimpses of our students' performance in sports, because we are providing all the facilities required for their uh, growth, academic as well as in other curricular activities. So if I'm talking, I mean, non-personalities, they visit our university time to time. And 106th Indian National Science Congress was conducted in 2019 in our university. And you must have heard about that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and Jaya Vigyan. And there was a fourth line tagged in that, that is Jai Anusandhan, that was by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, that is Jai Anusandhan. And it was it happened in our university, LPU. So if we are having startup school also, if anyone wants to, see on 20th to 22nd of June, one LPU experience event was conducted in our university recently last weekend. And a student who got admission this year only, 2026, they showcased their projects, and as per their achievement, they also got the scholarship on that also. So we are offering multiple scholarship. I'll discuss when we will go to that program, BTech CSE, in collaboration with the Trans.org. Let me take you to our university website. As ma'am had already discussed the BTech CSE in collaboration with this Trans.org. So you might be interested to know how to get enrolled in this program. So let me take you to our university. Ma'am, please confirm my page is visible.
Yeah, website is
University. Okay, okay. So if you want to visit our university is www.lpu.in. So when you visit our university, so you can go to admission, and after going to admission, you can click on regular programs. On our university, you can see whichever program you want to get enrolled in, every information is on that on our website. If I'm talking about this program, BTech Honors CSC, Data Science and Data Engineering, in tie-up with the Trans.org, you can get I'll first discuss eligibility, then all the fee and scholarship, and how to apply in this particular program. So this is BTech CSC Honors Data Science and Data Engineering in tie-up with the Trans.org. Let's discuss about its eligibility. Its eligibility is passed in 12th with the 60% aggregate marks in 12th with the physics, mathematics, and English. And if you have, if your medium of instruction in the 12th was English, then this English condition can be waived off. So subject to qualifying LP Nest or JEE or CUET. So if any student, any candidate is from Northeast side, then he or she can have 10% relaxation in aggregate marks in 12th to get admission in that. So if you have good score in CUET, you can get waived off from this LPU nest. If you have score in 80% above, then you can waive off from this LPU nest. Otherwise, you need to appear in LPU nest and need to appear and clear in LPU nest. LPU nest means LPU National Eligibility and Scholarship Test. So let's talk about placement. I had already discussed with you. So you can scroll down and here you can get the, information about curriculum. See, we have industry interface just like this program in collaboration with the Trans-ORG. So industry interface, if you want to go for research, and we are having that also. You can study 4 or 5 subjects. That's good. We go to that. I think there is some issue.
Yeah, maybe website is not working.
It's a little bit slow, I think. Okay, I'll tell you about the eligibility. As I told you that 60% aggregate in 12th with the English, physics, and math, and subject to qualifying your JEE, CUET, or you can say Alpinist. And if we are talking about fee, let me tell you about its fee. Its fee actually 2 lakh per semester, but we are having ample opportunity for scholarship. You can get the scholarship on the basis of 12th also. You can get, if you are having good percentage, 80% and above in your 12th, or in case of JEE, if you are having JEE, if you are having 80% of the score, then you can get the scholarship. Scholarship is 35%, 30% as per your score in your 12th or in your JEE or in your CUT. And please note down one thing, that whichever fee we commit in the start, as per your percentage in your 12th, as per percentage in your JEE or your, you can say, CUT, that fee will remain same throughout your BTech. So how to get enrolled in your this program on our website? Wait. You might be seeing this apply now. So you can click on this apply now, and there's some, you need to fill here some your credentials, your name, your mobile number, your mail ID, and you can get registered in that. After registering, you can go to your dashboard, and there you can select your program as per your qualification, and accordingly you need to apply for LPNS. It is not necessary that you need to appear in that if you have good score in your JEE and CUET. Just you need to apply for the application. So after applying or after clearing either of these 3, you can get admission in that program. If I'm talking about LPNest test, that is conducted in 2 modes. One is remotely proctored, meaning you can appear in that exam from your home itself, and you can go to the test center. We are having the test centers pan India, and you can there you can go there. You can opt that option also. So it is up to you. There is some issue in the website, might be.
Yeah, so it is not working properly, no problem.
Oh, yeah. Otherwise, if you have any query regarding a scholarship and fee, you can ask right now directly.
Yeah, that's no issue. We can we continue with the questions, Ms. Asha Rani?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Can we take the questions, Ms. Asha Rani and Mr. Shruti Kumar? Stop sharing your screen, ma'am, no problem.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving me a chance to address your questions. And now Dilpreet is with us. So Dilpreet is asking, how can students prepare for successful careers in data science in the future?
Okay. So as I told you, the key is good communication, good skills, and keeping the business understanding of various domains that you're targeting. The companies you're targeting, you should go through the JDs and what all skills they're asking for, and accordingly prepare for it. And yes, that can do wonders for your career.
Thank you so much, Dilpreet. I hope, Dilpreet, you got the answer from our expert. So Gaurav Rana is with us. Gaurav is asking, what are the top skills and career opportunities in data science that every aspiring professional should know?
Okay, the major skill set that the data science career revolves around is in case the programming language you choose is either it could be Python or R. So that should be it's something that you should do hands-on. Other than that, SQL, various database languages you should be good at so that you can extract data from various databases of the companies they're storing in. These are the two major skills that you should know. Other than that, machine learning, the concepts, the statistics, and when we are using it, how we can dwell into the data, understand the correlations, and so that comes under the statistics part, tying up various inferential tests on it, then looking for different machine learning model or deep learning model, or even NLP, depends on the business problem. So these are the major areas you should focus on. Also, as AI is also rising all over the place, so you should learn a bit about RAG, the hugging, using Hugging Face, LangChain, LangGraph, and all of that.
Thanks so much, Mr. Ruti Kumar. I hope Gaurav, you got your answer from our today's expert. Ms. Asha, someone is asking, do LPU provide the residential facilities also?
Definitely, definitely. We are having apartments also, and we are having standard rooms also, and that is one of the safest and secure residential facility we are providing. And then, as everyone knows, that we are having 600-acre plus our campus, and in the campus itself, we are having Unimall, where you can get everything in your daily life. You can no need to go outside. I mean to say. And in the hostel itself, we are having a tuck shop like that, and we are offering the mess facilities also. Different type of mess facilities are there. So residential facility, as I told you, that we are having single seater, two seater, three seater, four seater, five seater, standard room with the air cooler facility as well as AC rooms we are also having, and apartments are also we are having.
Thank you so much, Ms. Asha. I hope everyone got the answer from our experts. So don't worry, students, if anyone have any question regarding the admission, they just write on us at admissions@lpu.co.in. And you can do WhatsApp chat with us. Our WhatsApp number is 985256900. I'm repeating the number. It's 985256900. And once again, thanks to our experts, Ms. Shruti Kumar and Ms. Asha Rana. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt you. Let me tell you all one thing, that the last date of admission and to get the maximum this scholarship, 35% of your academic fee in this particular program, that is 30th June. If you want to get admission, that you need to apply. You can say as early as possible. Today itself, so that you can get maximum benefit and your seat in this particular program. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for this is very important information. And if anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in. Under admissions, then LPU Edu-Webinars. You will find the past and the upcoming webinars. And you can be assessed this webinar later on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my series, we'll be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.